Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we have a 2012 Hyundai Sonata, and on this Hyundai Sonata we're going to go over how you replace your fog light. So we have the fog light right here inside the bumper, and you're able to do this by just removing a couple screws under the bottom on the fender well, and then you can be able to reach up in there and remove those light. This is an H8 light that you need to replace it with, and the bumper has been removed, but you don't have to have it removed to be able to replace this light. Okay, so you'll just have to, there's two push pin screws or three you would need to remove. That way you can pull the fender well up, reach your hand up in here, and be able to undo that. This is going to have an electric connector that's on here that you're going to want to squeeze and undo, because if you try to turn it, you're going to break this tab that's there so that this doesn't vibrate out and fall out on you. So then you would squeeze and undo that electric connector, then twist this a quarter turn to the left and be able to pull the light out itself. Get yourself a new H8 and then be able to put it in, and make sure you have the two bigger tabs, line those up, and you got the one small tab. So you line the tabs up where they need to be, and then just turn this a quarter turn to the right to lock it back into place and reconnect your electrical connector, and then put the screws back in for the fender well, and you'll be good to go. So that's how you replace your fog light on your 2012 Hyundai Sonata. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.